Andy Shia is with us now. He is joining us on the phone from Shanghai. He was formerly Morgan Stanley's chief economist for the Asia-Pac region. Andy, always glad to speak with you. We just went over those data points. Chinese GDP 9.6 up from a year earlier, but slowing from the second quarter, 10.3% growth. From the Chinese point of view, is this the kind of data that the government likes to see, or are we going to see more cooling measures to come?
Well, I think that there are two separate issues. One is the economy has cooled off a bit, but it's really due to three reasons. The trade has cooled off because of the bouncing. The first half was partly due to the inventory cycle. The second is that the property cooling measures are causing the sector to slow down a bit. And the third is the government, in order to meet its energy efficiency standard, the target, it's ordering factories to shut down one day in a week or 2 days in a week. So part of the slowdown is policy induced, and the growth will come back. I think the problem for China is still overheating inflation, and we still have it's a big battle ahead to contain inflation. Yesterday's interest rate hike was just the first step. We're in an interest rate.
Andy, how many steps will we see coming? What exactly do you think the Chinese government is going to try to do to control inflation?
No, the Chinese interest rate is too low by 3 percentage points, probably at least. And maybe they don't want to raise this so quickly, so it's going to be a dragged out affair. It'll take a couple of years, maybe even longer.
Andy, you mentioned that you feel like the property measures are cooling, or rather the property bubble is cooling. What are the chances on a scale of 1 to 10 that we see a real estate tax if Beijing wants to cool it off even that much more?
I think that it'll happen very soon, possibly next month. Some Tier 1 cities will announce property taxes, and I think that the government wants to be careful to strike a balance between containing speculation and preventing a total collapse. So it's not an easy task, but that's what they will try to do next month.
Andy, thanks so much for the time. We love speaking with you. Andy Shia joining us there on the phone from Shanghai.